quarrying around 1,500 tons monthly, all year long. The Colorado Red Granite bought this company in December 2011. Last year we buy all property, 65-acre property, where we count all vein in marble we own now. Since this time we completely changed equipment. We have all new equipment. We have 40 employees.
I go in and remove the block that they've cut. I bring it out, set it in these places. Sometimes they need trim, sometimes not. And that's basically what I do all day is move block.
We've been doing business with Colorado Stone Quarries since 2009. They had their first Volvo was an L330. We were coming up and servicing it. What kind of brought us full circle with Colorado Stone Quarries was the service and support that we give them out of Grand Junction. We've got basically have 2 field service mechanics that are up here twice a week at any given time. We have sold them 9 pieces of Volvo equipment. We currently service 21 pieces up here.
These Volvos, the technology in them is more advanced than what I've had in the past. They're ergonomically better than what I've had in the past.
In 2012, we opened the Portal 5 and we discovered another one vein we call Calacata Lincoln. Lincoln because the name Lincoln by the Lincoln Memorial. It's a really good stone. This is the best stone we have in the market right now.
So in this quarry we produce mainly 3 qualities. This is, for example, is a perfect example of what we call Calacata Lincoln material. The particularity of this material is the white background with brown and gray veining with a little brownish fading surrounding the veins.
It's a Volvo 350. The F series. I just like the comfort. I mean, my back doesn't hurt. I steer with the joystick, so I really enjoy running it.
So both of the L350Fs that they have the block handling kit on them. They both came with a set of forks and a spade nose bucket. They are rated to carry up to 65,000 pounds.
The power's there. We pick them up. Sometimes they tip the loader up with us, so yeah, it's great.
We are able to keep open this quarry in 9,000 feet elevation all year long. It's not easy, but we do it.